All right, everybody, how's everyone doing today? Today's cooking lesson is going to be chicken nuggets with honey mustard sauce. And our ingredients are listed here. We have Dijon mustard, some honey, some mayonnaise, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, a bag of frozen chicken nuggets, a small bowl, and a spoon. So our first step today is we're going to be making our sauce, the actual honey mustard sauce. So the first step is going to be to put the mustard, honey, mayonnaise, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper into a bowl and stir it. Okay, so there is the example. There is the measurements, and we'll show you guys how we do it in just a second.
I'll do mustard. You want to do honey?
All right, guys, so we have the lovely Miss Kimberly and Miss Bell here to demonstrate how we make our sauce first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1/3 cup of Dijon mustard. So Miss Bell has the Grey Poupon. Just look at all that mustard. Yuck. Put some elbow grease behind it, Bell. Excuse you.
It's going in here?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
All right, right in here.
So there's 1/3 cup of the mustard. Next up, we're going to add 1/4 cup of honey. Which Miss Kimberly will be adding now.
1/4 cup.
There it is. Yummy, yummy.
Ah, it's full.
Very full. So there's 1/4 cup of honey. In it goes. Our next ingredient is 1/4 cup of mayonnaise.
Yep.
Is that 1/4 cup?
No, it's
Or
a
no?
third.
All right, we will pause for just a second.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here is the 1/4 cup freshly cleaned. In goes the mayo. Oh, excuse you.
Really? We're at the end. Think that's good.
Okay, in goes the mayo. Next up, we have a tablespoon of lemon juice. So Miss Bell is going to squirt the juice into the tablespoon.
It's not working.
Miss Bell's demonstrating the Peruvian technique of squeezing lemons. You know what? I'm sure we can eyeball it, Belle. I'm sure that a whole lemon is probably about a tablespoon.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah. Can you give me a fork out of that drawer? Right behind.
Go ahead, Belle. Belle just showed you an old native trick on how to get the excess lime juice out of the lime.
There it is.
Okay.
What's next?
And then we're going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry. 1/4 teaspoon. A whole teaspoon might be too much cayenne. Here's Miss Kimberly with the 1/4 teaspoon. There's the cayenne. In it goes. All right, and the last step is to stir it all together to make our honey mustard sauce. You always want to stir in a clockwise rotation. It's the best sound ever, right?
All right.
All right, and look at that. That's your finished product.
Yeah.
There's your honey mustard sauce. So now the only thing left to do is to warm up our nuggets. So today we're using Dino chicken nuggies because they're the best. We have a few here on our plates, and just to make sure that everyone can participate in this exercise or this cooking lesson, we are gonna nuke these things inside the microwave. Okay, so in they go. We're gonna put them in for, we're gonna warm these up for 2.5 minutes because we have about 10 in there. So there's the 2. Okay, and once the 2's out, we're gonna add another 30 seconds to it. We'll be back in a second.
And just loading thing.
All right, guys, so we're coming up on the last bit of the 2.5 minutes. We did add the 30 seconds. So once this is out, remember to always be careful when you're pulling stuff out of the microwave because it may be hot. Man, it smells like chicken nuggets. Look at those. Those are freshly cooked in the microwave. Are they hot?
Kind of.
Kind of.
I would put them back in because that's not very.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna throw them in for a little extra time because who doesn't like crispy nuggets? So after we warmed them up for a little bit longer, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take them out. Now they're definitely warmer. Here are our nuggets. And now we bring them on down to the table. And we have them served here with our fresh honey mustard sauce. So here we have Miss Belle gonna attempt and try the first honey mustard dinosaur. Which one did you pick? Did you pick the T-Rex? Here we go. In it goes.
Eat the head off first.
No double dipping.
I know.
Well, before
That's
you-
right, because double dipping is not sanitary. What's the verdict, Belle? Besides it being very hot.
I don't know if you.
That made the video. Congrats. How is it? Amazing?
I'm
Just do thumbs up. I know.
It's amazing.
actually, it's really good.